Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Juventus Adidas Trefoil Joggers, black ones. So these were £27.50 on Amazon, not Amazon, Adidas website. It's on sale, so that's why I bought it. So let's go for it, guys. Also, tell me what you think about the new camera quality. Is it better or worse? Wow. So it comes in this easy, frustration-free packaging. You just pull it off at the top. It's got Adidas logo there, Adidas logo there, Adidas logo there. So what I think the pants are going to be is it's going to look exactly the same as this, just with an extra logo here. So that's what we'll find out right now. Let's go ahead and open this now. Okay. So this is the pants itself. So I got medium this time. Usually I wear small, but I'm getting a bit bigger, so I thought might as well get some bigger ones. So you got the black pants, medium. Sorry about my voice at the moment, I'm a bit ill, so yeah. Okay. So the main reason I buy these pants is because they have zippers, which is very useful for me because I carry a lot of stuff with me. Let's go ahead and open this. Come on, you bloody bastard. There you go. Wow, this quality, same as this actually. Very soft and nice. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, it's exactly how I thought it would be. Exact same pants, same design. The only difference being is got the Juventus logo there. That's about it. There's no other design difference. Wow, these are medium. Bloody hell, they look quite big. Will they even fit me? They're even longer, I think, as well. Let's see. They might be a bit too big actually. Maybe I made a bad decision getting a medium. Let's see. But yeah, we'll see. So you got the Juventus logo there. But of course, nope, nothing else. That's the thing. So the medium in every other country is medium as well, apart from Japan, is it? Japan is extra large, mad. Okay, so the material is very soft. You got zip pockets, like I said, that's the main reason I bought it. Just because I wanted them zip pockets. Oh, very nice. So yeah, I'm impressed. But yeah, them pants look big. That's a medium, guys. Okay, I might try them on, see if they even fit. If not, I have to exchange it for a small one. Oh no. But yeah, my camera quality sometimes goes a bit fuzzy like this. Like, why? Why has it gone fuzzy? Do you see what I mean? That's blurry as fuck, isn't it, guys? Don't know why that is. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna put these pants on now, see what they're like. But I can tell already they're gonna be soft and everything. It's just a matter of do they fit. What do you think, guys? You look alright, guys? Let me show you my legs. Ooh. Wow. Why is it so blurry? Okay, guys, so yeah, it's the same soft material, good quality, and yeah, this medium does fit, but it's a bit loose. But you do have them waistband straps, so you can always tighten it a bit. So yeah, I'll give it a go for a good couple months, not months, couple weeks. If it's anybody, if it falls down or something in my pants, then we'll have to get a small version. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.